Today's a busy day at the Grand Curve project. The actual main curve of the house is coming in today. There's a lot of guys working. It takes a team to get this thing in because it's so big. It's exciting to see.
I'm very excited, yes. We haven't done a curved staircase before. It just arrived, so we're very excited to see it get into the house, see it installed, and see how it looks.
Everybody likes things with curves. This is like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole.
Staircase looks great. The homeowner stopped by. She loves it.
We definitely didn't cut any corners.